Hello, welcome to my garage. Today I'm going to scrap a microwave. Looks like it's a GE microwave. Kind of a big one. Let's get at it. Let's take a look at what we got out of here. Our light iron. Have some wire that we can strip. There's the transformer with some copper in it. Screws. Circuit board. The poisonous thing. Some fans. Another fan motor. Now I'll work on trying to get the good parts out of that. First I'll take apart this circuit board and separate it from the rest of the stuff. Hey, there's the schematics. I wonder if it tells you how to take it apart. Trash. Nice copper on this fan. Okay, we'll come back and work on that. Cast aluminum. It's nice. A little bit more effort than I like, but there's finally some copper. Now let's play with this. Careful to avoid what potentially might be beryllium, but we'll see if we can't get in here and get some of the goodies out of here anyway. See here, attached to this end, there's some copper. We'll take that. magnet. Another nice magnet. Alright, I'm going to take my time cleaning the rest of this stuff up, and I'll show you the end result. Alright, after having taken that machine apart, the microwave, to its completeness, here's what we have. Here we have copper, 2 pounds, 5.6 ounces, and the sources of that were, we had a motor, a transformer, the magnetron and some wires, some copper off the circuit board, and some of the copper wiring. Part of that also includes this zinc coated copper, 2.6 ounces, which I'm going to keep separate to do a separate melt at some point. Now it's kind of excessive here, but this is all of the brass. We only had one solid piece of brass for the magnetron, but all this other material are the little clips that connect the wiring, which are brass, and even the light bulb had a brass component. So not much brass, but 1.8 ounces. Over here is the aluminum, 14 ounces, so almost a pound. And it's kind of a mix of different types of aluminum. We have some cast aluminum here, but the magnetron yielded all of this aluminum here, and then also the transformer had copper coated aluminum wire. This is one of the aluminum capacitor cans that I took apart. Now I don't have it here, but there was 25 pounds total of light iron, 2 magnets. I don't know what we're going to call those, but hey, there's 2 magnets. And then from all the switches, if you can see that, we have some silver coated contacts, 11 in total from this. So what was this all worth? I'm not interested really in its total worth to sell as scrap. I want to melt it down and into its various metals, that being aluminum, copper, and brass. But if you were to break it down based on the prices I have here locally, this machine, the microwave would have yielded in value $5.31 in US dollars, and you can see there some of the other denominations of value. So it's at least worth something, and the total weight will be a little bit less than that once I melt it down, but I'll give you those weights and show you the ingots when the time comes.